What's up guys, Mr. Scanlon here and welcome back to another Python programming tutorial. In this chapter we're talking about modules and file I/O. In this video I'm just going to be covering the modules part. I'll leave the file I/O for another tutorial. Alright, so modules in Python, if you read the chapter, it's basically using this thing called import and you're just importing different stuff. Um, so obviously you can't just code everything inside of this one file. You know, teams of programmers are working on their own computers and stuff like that, and and for the most part they're not like all working on like one Python file or like maybe a couple or something like that. They're using all kinds of libraries from different areas and stuff like that. All kinds of libraries that do all kinds of different stuff basically. And with Python, it's like one of the easiest things. Like all you got to do is like hit import and then like type something in, and immediately you have access to lots of different functions and objects that you wouldn't necessarily be able to do, just like right off the bat when you're trying to get things going. So in here, just to give you like a cool example, if you type in like import anti-gravity in Python here, and I'll just like print like ha or something like that. This is a pretty funny one actually. When you go ahead and run this, it actually immediately opens up this comic by XKCD here, which I might have shown this to you guys. I don't remember if I did or not, but it's just like, how are you flying? Python. I learned it so fast last night. Everything's so simple. Hello world is just print hello world. And he's like talking about the problems of Python. And then he's like, how are you flying? Just all I did was type import anti-gravity, which is what we did here. Now, of course, there is no anti-gravity library, but it's a neat little function inside of this like Easter egg, if you will, that the Python creators made, so that when you make a program with import anti-gravity at the top, it immediately just opens a window to your default browser and opens up like this comic right here, which is like this is like a staple comic of Python.